Even 80-year-old women are seen in this place in Pakistan. Very young and beautiful. But the biggest question is, why are the girls here so beautiful? What do these girls do because they look so beautiful? So, let's know the secret of the beauty of these girls. Friends, we are talking about the Hunza community, who live in the Hunza Valley located in the Karakoram Hills of northern Pakistan, which is known as Hunju Kots, or Hunza. This place is located at an altitude of about 8,000 feet above the ground. Hunza people live in different villages built on the edge of the cliff. Talking about the history of this place, the history of the Hunza Valley in Pakistan dates back to at least the 8th century BC. There is evidence of settlements in this area being 3,000 years old. The people of this community are called Brusho. Their language is Burushaski. It is said about these people that they are descendants of the army of Alexander the Great who came to India in the 4th century. The population of the people of Hunza Valley is more than 85,000, and the people of this community follow the Muslim religion. It is said that the people here are more educated than other communities in Pakistan. It is said that the people here live for an average of 120 years. This place is also called the Heaven of Pakistan. Let us now know what the nature of the people are. It is believed that the people of this place are very gentle and peace-loving. The people here live a very happy life. The best thing about these people is that their nature is very good towards others. These people never envy others. They consider it their religion to think well about all people. The people here believe that a person is not beautiful by his face, but by his nature. If a person's nature is very good towards people, then only he is considered beautiful in the face. Friends, the main business of Hunza people is farming, through which they grow many types of crops, such as many types of fruits, different vegetables and grains. It is believed that the tea of this place is so delicious and nutritious that you rarely drank such tea. This tea is called Hunza tea. Mint, cardamom, saffron and jaggery are also added to this tea. They mostly like to eat nutritious green vegetables and dried walnuts in their diet, because the people here remain very healthy. Friends, the women here are considered to be the most beautiful women in the world. It is believed that the women here look very young and beautiful even at the age of 50, and it is also true that the girls here are really so beautiful. Whatever videos you watch of them, these girls look very beautiful in all the videos. But the biggest question is why the girls of Hunza Valley are so beautiful. Actually, friends, the secret to their beauty is their lifestyle and food habits. Here everyone from young to old wakes up at 5 o'clock in the morning, and these people like to go everywhere on foot. People here believe that the more we walk, the healthier we remain. The most special thing is that their food is also completely natural. That is, there is no adulteration of any kind in their vegetables, fruits, milk, butter, etc. Their food is 100% vegetarian. That is why all the girls here look the most beautiful and young.